Hello guys and welcome to the review of MarketPeso Done For You edition. Saurabh Bhatnagar and Kartik Ramani are back with the brand new launch of MarketPeso. In this video, we will see everything about the new edition of MarketPeso and will also walk you through how to create your own marketplace. As you may already know, MarketPeso is the first of its kind software that helps you create your personal marketplace where you can sell your digital and physical products. The best part is that MarketPeso is cloud-based software, which means you can use it on any device, a Mac, Windows, mobile, tab and everything else. With MarketPeso Done For You edition, you will be able to stand out from the crowd and kill the competition with your own marketplace. It will help you look highly professional in your field, build your authority and allowing you to attract high-ticket clients with less effort. In this edition, you will get a complete Done For You selling kit, Done For You social media ads, Done For You client selling SMS funnel, Done For You client selling email funnel, Done For You client selling outreach checklist, Done For You master sales call. It will allow you to charge more, keep more and generate the maximum amount of profits possible. A freelancer or a service provider faces some difficulties while cracking deals with new client projects. Whenever a client reaches out to you, they judge you by your profile. They think of you as another freelancer. They compare you with competitors. And finally, they always want to take you down on the price. The biggest reason this happens is that you are seen just as a freelancer, not an authority in your work. And we all know there are few places like Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer.com where you can create your professional looking portfolio displaying your work with attached pricing, customer reviews and testimonials. But the real problem occurs right here on these platforms. On Fiverr and Upwork, there are thousands of sellers in every niche, many of whom have better reviews. These well-known freelancing networks never disclose bad information to you. As a result, they'll always keep you dependent on them for the orders. Also, you will be charged a 20% fee for every sale on Fiverr and Upwork. The freelancing industry is the fastest growing industry on the planet, currently contributing over $1.4 trillion to the US economy. The steady increase in the number of skilled individuals taking up freelancing every year has made freelancers the favorite to become the US majority workforce within the next few years. Sitting at more than $1.4 trillion, it contributes almost 5% of the overall US economy, more than the construction and transportation industry. Due to the rise in the adoption of remote teams, freelancing is provide a viable career path for skilled professionals in regions where domestic opportunities are low. Now let's see how to use MarketPeso. MarketPeso makes creating your own marketplace a breeze. There is a simple 4-step process to get started with MarketPeso. Follow these simple steps to create your own personal marketplace, build your authority and kill your competition. Step 1. Logging into MarketPeso. When you log into the software for the first time, you will see a very clean interface. On the left side of this dashboard, you will get all the features of MarketPeso that you need to create your own marketplace. Step 2. Create your marketplace. When you are on the dashboard, click on the first option, Marketplace. After that, click on Add New and create your own marketplace by offering your product and services. You can customize everything inside your marketplace from color, blog, menu, category to the reviews of your product and services. Everything is under your control. Name your marketplace, create your unique URL, add your brand logo, favicon and finally add the details of your products and services. That's it, your own new personalized marketplace is ready. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Assign a price to sell your service. You can set your price as per your work. Because there is no one else in the market, you can easily charge your customer a higher fee. After filling in all the details of your product and services, add your price details. Now your own full-fledged branded marketplace is ready to help you get more services and client orders on a daily basis. Now you just have to do a last simple step. Step 4. Connect payment method. Lastly, you have to connect a payment gateway to get paid from your clients. MarketPeso integrated all the leading payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe to help you collect your payment easily. You can easily create a marketplace for any services you have to offer. Landing page, graphic designing, video marketing, video creation, content writing, voiceover, copywriting, audio editing. For literally everything, you can create your own personalized branded marketplace. Now let's talk about some of the key features of MarketPeso. MarketPeso has come up with countless breathtaking features. that are not available anywhere else in the market right now. Beautifully designed homepage. The first impression is the last impression. Yes, this is true in every area. The first impression matters a lot in everything. And MarketPlace comes with a beautifully designed homepage that ensures you leave a mind-blowing first impression in front of your customers. It will boost the confidence in your customers towards your marketplace. Besides this, a beautiful homepage also establishes instant authority which leads to sales. Category, subcategory and smart menu. This feature is so amazing for your marketplace. You will be able to add a smart menu, category and subcategory into your marketplace that will help you look more professional. Showcase all of your services with the help of category and subcategory. For example, if you create a category called graphic designing, you may include subcategories like logo designing, banner designing, and brochure designing, etc. It will make it easier for your clients to find your services and place an order inside your marketplace. Highly converting service page. Believe it or not, how you showcase your offer services makes a high impact on your customers. And MarketPlace offered you to do this in a beautiful image video slider. Yes, along with images, you can also add videos to make your services more attractive and give your customers a better idea of what you are offering in your services. Service packages and smart pricing. Include a variety of services and create multiple packages. You can design 3 different service packages like basic, standard and premium. This type of plan usually works amazingly to sell your customer more than they really want, because you are offering more services at a better price. Inbuilt messaging system and real-time notifications. MarketPlace has an inbuilt messaging system to make your customers contact you via message anytime they want. Discuss the requirements, satisfy your customer and make them comfortable to place an order. And when they are able to talk to you even before placing an order, you will drastically increase your conversions. Along with this, MarketPlace will send you notifications in real time so that you can take action faster. It will definitely increase the trust and hence boost conversions. Testimonials and reviews. As a freelancer, you can understand how reviews affect your orders. Reviews and customer testimonials are the very first thing that a client sees to gain faith in you. And if you have bad reviews on a profile, no one will hire you for their work. This is where MarketPlace offers you a plus point. Whether or not to show a testimonial is entirely in your hands. Plus, you are also allowed to add your own testimonials to add that additional impact. Payment integration and add to cart feature. As I said earlier, MarketPlace integrated the leading payment platforms PayPal and Stripe. Plus, they will add more payment methods in the future to provide you more flexibility to allow payments from everywhere. And your customers will see an add to cart button next to the order now button, allowing them to save your service in the cart if they are not buying your service at that moment. Badges on offers. You can highlight your main offers for extra attention and sales. Highlight your service like deal of the day, hot selling, top selling, etc. Browsing history. With MarketPlace, you will be able to retarget your customer based on their browsing history. This feature is the same as you will find on Amazon. Show your visitors the products they were interested in and crack more sales. Email integration. We are all aware of the importance of email. MarketPlace has integrated all the leading email service provider companies so that your customers will become a part of your email list quickly, and you will be able to retarget them with your powerful services. Besides all of these first to market features, MarketPlace also has some more amazing features like adding a FAQ, mobile friendliness, user management, post requests, etc. We all know pages with FAQs convert more. Write down your own FAQ on individual categories and services. User management. Manage all of your customers, identify your best customer and plan your strategy around them. Post request. Your customers can post a request in your marketplace for the kind of service they are looking for. Finally, let's talk about the bonuses that you are going to get after purchasing the MarketPlace Done For You edition. These bonuses are called Fast Action Bonuses. Bonus 1. Free advertising credits worth $600 to $800 on premium networks like LinkedIn, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, etc. Bonus 2. MarketPlace getting clients LinkedIn training. It will teach you everything from finding the high-ticket clients to what to message them and converting them. Bonus 3. Hands-on workshop with the level 2 Fiverr seller. This special training will show you how to create and scale a brand new Fiverr profile to $2,000 or more within the first month. Bonus 4. AI Logo Creator. You will get this artificial intelligence-based logo creation software that comes up with the relevant icons, images, font, and color suggestions. Add logo creation service in your marketplace and sell the service for $100 and $300 each to clients and local businesses. Bonus 5. AI Brand Domain Software. You will get advanced AI-based software that finds domain availability, comes up with extra domain suggestions according to niche. Bonus 6. Hands-on workshop to help you build your first marketplace. You will get access to the hands-on workshop to help you build your first marketplace. This is a live session with the founders of Marketplasso who will show you everything step by step. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to purchase Marketplasso Done For You edition, click on the first link of the description. And if you want to read more about this software, go to the second link in the description. You will land on my website where I have covered every single detail of this software. And lastly,